Maligayang pagdating sa ating guided meditation. This is your guide, Dr. Elinda Sabili, where I will explore finding inner peace and calmness. Ito ay meditasyon para sa caregiver at mga may sakit, especially yung may dementia. Tumahimik tayo, close our eyes, and breathe deeply. 1, 2, and 3. Hold it for a second. And exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Damhin ninyo na relax ang inyong katawan. Mahal na Diyos, thank you for this moment of peace. Simulan natin sa ulo. Let's start at the head. Damhin ang tension at stress. Release it as we breathe out. May kapayapaan sa aking isip at katawan. There's peace in my mind and body. Move down to your shoulders and arms, hands and chest. Release any tightness. Panginoon, gabayan mo ako sa aming paglalakbay. Lord, guide us on our journey. Ngayon, focus on your heart center. Feel the warmth and love. Mahal kita, Panginoon, at pinasasalamatan kita sa buhay na ito. I love you, Lord, and we thank you for this life. Visualize a bright light filling your heart, expanding with its breath, filling your entire being with peace and love. Magkasama kami ng aking caregiver at pasyente. Iniaalay ko ang aking presensya, ang aking pangangalaga, ang aking pagmamahal. Alam kong minsan ay mahirap, ngunit magkasama tayo rito. I am here with you. I offer my presence, my care, and my love. I know sometimes it's difficult, but we are in this together. Nagpapasalamat kami sa iyong presensya, iyong pasensya, at iyong kabaitan. Alam kong may hamon din ito para sa iyo, at pinahahalagahan ko ang lahat ng iyong ginagawa. I'm grateful for your presence, your patience, and your kindness. I know this has its challenges for you, and appreciate all that you do. Kinikilala namin ang anumang sakit o pagod at binibigyan namin ang aming sarili ng pahintulot na makaramdam ng kapayapaan sa sandaling ito. We acknowledge any pain or fatigue, and we give ourselves permission to feel peace in this moment. Now, let's bring to mind a feeling of warmth, comfort, and peace. Imagine this feeling growing with us. Hayaan mong humaba ang kapayapaan na ito sa bawat bahagi ng iyong katawan. Allow this peace to settle in every part of your body. Nakikita namin ang aming koneksyon, isang hindi nakikitang lubid ng pagmamahal at pangunawa. We visualize our connection, an invisible thread of love and understanding. Habang naghahanda tayong magtapos, huminga tayo na isang malalim na hininga. ng magkasama. Huminga tayo ng kapayapaan at huminga tayo ng pagmamahalan. As we prepare to end, let's take one more deep breath together. Let's breathe in peace. And let's breathe out love. Salamat sa sandaling ito. Thank you for this moment. Naway magpatuloy ang kapayapaan na ito sa iyong araw. May this peace continue with you through your day. As we come to the end of our meditation, let's take a moment to feel grounded. Feel your feet connecting with the earth. Ako'y nasa iyo, Panginoon, at sa iyong pag-iingat. I am in you, Lord, and in your care. Take one last deep breath and exhale slowly. Kapayapaan at pag-ibig ay sumainyo. Peace and love be with you. Open your eyes slowly and take this sense of calmness with you throughout the day. Salamat po. Thank you.